Do you see? There's nothing left. I literally am trying to get the last little bit.
Audio Jungle.
Hello, people, beautiful, beautiful people. I want to talk about this skincare line called the Sweet Jada Skincare Kit. It is a product of 3. Now, mine's look busted because I use them all, so it's not a first impressions. It's like been thoroughly reviewed, okay? I am a skin freak. Anything skin I love, and anything skin I want to try because I'm always looking for me, improvements on my skin, especially here. I don't have any makeup on, so let me get close so you guys can, hang on. It gotta be cute, like I can't just be all up in y'all face. Okay, there we are. That is my skin right now. Love this stuff. See, I've like used the mess out of it. I was like, let me hurry up and make this video before I finish these products. My favorite is this scrub. It's like a tea bath for my face, like, and it's sweet too. I use it in the shower. It's this daily facial scrub and it's incredible. The face scrub has grapeseed oil, beetroot powder, sodium bicarbonate, vitamin A, vitamin E, geranium oil, lavender oil, I don't know this word, calendula flowers, turmeric root powder, and LMI or LME. So that's what's in this. Yo, this thing is just like a tea bath, like a bath of tea scrub for your face. It's so good. My second favorite is this face wash. It's so gentle, but I will tell you, when I first opened it, there was some separation, and with reason. It's an organic product, and also like at the bottom there's activated charcoal. She like left a note. FYI, the grayish material that you see is activated charcoal, not mold. And I'm so anti-mold, it's not even funny. Like, this thing is so gentle. Let me list the ingredients. Okay, castile soap, raw honey, black seed oil, sodium bicarbonate, LMI or LME oil, lavender oil, geranium oil, turmeric root powder. Got a little tickle. Activated charcoal, vitamin E oil, aloe vera gel, beetroot powder adds color and increases blood flow. Okay, so when I use this stuff, it's so gentle. It's just like therapeutic when I use it. I just kind of fall into the soap that's like between like my finger pads and my finger. It's just like a therapy session to me, and it feels good on my face. It doesn't feel over drying, and for me, I always use it twice. Now I will tell you that the pump, when I first got this, the pump was broke. Like, okay, you'll see in the video that like when I use it, I have to turn it upside down and like pump to get the stuff to like fall out, because for whatever reason, and it's like that with small businesses, sometimes packages don't always pan out. And you know, but if the product is good, you guys just don't even hold it against them. So I use this first twice. I use this twice or once, depending on my skin. And after I use this, my skin is literally already moisturized. I don't even need to do like much else. Like if I'm like going to bed or whatever, like the moisture is just there. Now let me talk about this one. It's my least favorite, and that's probably because I already have rose water that I already love. This bad boy right here, and one of the ingredients in this is apple cider vinegar, and I mean it's vinegar, so I can't say I'm a fan of the scent. Toning facial mist ingredients includes high quality pH water, apple cider vinegar, vitamin E, vitamin C, chamomile extract, tea tree oil, my favorite ingredient ever, aloe vera gel, green tea extract, rose extract, and rose petals. Anyway, 10 out of 10. I would recommend. I really want to talk about it because I'm almost out, and if I didn't do this today, like, you guys just wouldn't get a chance to see it. So please, in the comments, let me know what's the next company you guys are interested in me trying out. I really love small businesses. If you're watching, you can leave your comments down below personally. But yes, thank you for watching this episode. I think it'll be a quick one. I gotta go. All right, thanks for watching this episode. See you guys in the next video.